Okay, so now that the interior of the bathhouse is finished and beautiful, we got to do a couple things on the outside to also finish it, like finish the battens and the trim and the corners and little things outside. Nothing too exciting, but it's stuff that needs to be done. So the inside is done and beautiful, and I love it. Time to work on the outside. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Watch what Jason's doing.
Looks really exciting.
I'm making these little thingies here. And I bend these little thingies out like this. I take these little thingies, bend them out like this.
And then what?
I'll show you. We have stuffed these with steel wool.
Steel wool.
And now,
oh, that is just pure fancy.
keep them little buggers from chewing in here. Zip, zip, zip.
Yep.
And then the barbs and stuff and the steel wool keep the mice from wanting to get in there.
That sounds good to me. That's really pretty.
I knew you would judge.
It's fine.
I can make them a little bit smaller.
No, it's fine.
No, oh my God.
No, I'm kidding. Oh my gosh.
Okay. When I'm done with these, I'm going to get some white paint and I'm going to whitewash and distress these. They're going to look great.
Whatever. They are perfectly fine. Pure function. All right, I'm gonna work on the battens. You work on your, what do you call that? Critter repellent? Okay.
Did you get the dogs inside, did you?
Yep, because they keep eating.
That took 20 minutes.
Well, Dozer doesn't move very fast.
That's something else you don't see on this videography, is how many minutes I spend waiting for my wife.
Oh, stop it. Dozer was eating bear bait. Donuts.
Naughty.
I know.
He's going to explode.
Yeah, he looks like he's going to explode. So now he's inside.
Can you just draw me a pencil line? Like, where are you thinking you want this? Right about this level? Or down here?
Okay.
Up here? Down here?
Over here, over there.
Draw a line. Draw a mark on the wall where that pipe's hitting the wall, please.
Fine.
Oh, hold your phone. Hold it.
Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. Why are you so close
This is what you... What are you doing, Laura?
I'm going to draw a pencil line.
What are you doing?
Pencil line.
What are you going to draw a pencil line for?
The heater.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Propane heater, because we got to keep
Okay.
the bathhouse warm in the winter. And fall is right around the corner, so...
See how yellow it is out there?
Yep, it's yellow. Okay, Here, I don't know. I suppose up... Well, maybe not.
No.
No? Low?
Heat rises.
No. Wow. It's a real big drill.
That's dead. Elder!
You're so special.
Nice pencil mark. So it's kind of just in this vicinity of this giant mess.
Isn't that pretty? Oh. You do that. I'm just sitting on the pot. Woo!
How do you like my tool?
I love it. That's really nice.
Thank you.
But look at that hole. I can see daylight. I'm just making a mess in my bathhouse again. Son of a gun. What a beautiful day to be in Shabin.
Don't you want it around the corner?
I didn't know that was an option.
I'm kind of hoping it's an option. Got it?
What?
That's a very functional little room right there. I might just put a bed in there and sleep in there.
Take a little nap. It's gonna be warm and cozy. All right. So we added one last finishing touch to the bathhouse, and it's a little propane heater, which it's actually not that little, but we already owned this, so we are going to make it work. Should be very toasty in here in the winter time.
It's getting hot in here. You know the next line.
No songs. Okay, look. Yay. Oh, it is toasty in here. That works wonderful. It's probably way too big for this space.
It's entirely too big. That was for the Shabin.
Yeah.
But we got
the
the Yodel, so we don't need this.
Nope.
And this is going to be perfectly efficient for, you don't have to come out here and keep putting wood on it. You just light it when you get here, put it on 1 because that'll keep her at about 90.
I can hardly breathe. It's like 100 degrees in here right now.
Look what it's doing to the mirror.
There's a fogging up in here. And we have the dang windows open.
It's gonna be plenty. Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah.
You got a little one of these, don't you? You want to trade? Bring it up here. We'll trade.
We'll trade. Yeah. I like it. All right. Just out here catching some rain.
That's a good shower right there.
Carl's here. Hey, Carl.
Hi.
He's here to hunt some bears.
That light is deafening.
What? Anyways, we're catching some rain. It's raining, which makes me kind of sad. I mean, it's good. We need rain, but it's supposed to rain till like noon tomorrow, which means our work progress kind of gets cut down. We got our tarps up, keeping some stuff dry. Bathhouse is still as cute as ever. Added a couple things today. Hello. Got some cute bathroom rugs. And a candle and a toothbrush holder. You know, all the cute things that bathrooms need. Yep, so that's what we're up to. We're just sitting outside under a tarp, watching it rain. Oh, and goodbye. As always, if you liked this video, please like it. If you have anything to say, please comment. We'd love to hear from you. And if you really love our videos, please subscribe. Helps the channel grow, and we do appreciate it.